Welcome. I'm doing my best to stand as tall as I can because I'm standing next to the beautiful Molly here. We've got a couple of bits of news for you. Some of it's good, some of it's very good, some of it's not so good. So first and foremost, we're off to the United States and a new country in the next few months. Our US trip this November is very thankfully from all of you is more or less fully booked, apart from 7 dates. We've got 3 days in New York left, 3 appointments rather, 2 in Atlanta and 2 in Dallas. Otherwise it's full. So if you'd like to come and see us, you better be quick about it, and it is for made to measure only because our bespoke book is full at the moment. Anyway, the good news, which is why Molly is standing next to me, we are visiting Chicago in January. We're going there because we know the weather's going to be good, and then we're going to Toronto because we know the weather will be even better. So it's a long time since I've been to Toronto. It's a long time since I've been to Chicago. Molly has never been to the United States at all, so it'll be quite an adventure for her. So look, we hope you will come and see us, especially if you're in that locality, and there will be regular trips after that. It's only a short 2-day things, but it'll be nice. It'll be really nice. And again, I'm afraid it'll only be for made to measure clients in Chicago and Toronto because the book is full. But I'm looking forward to seeing you.
I'm very much looking forward to meeting you all too.
So hope that's good news for you all. Thanks for dropping in, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Cheers.